Welcome back. This is another, uh, let's say, simple but technical use of some ifs functions. We have been able to show a simple case whereby we can know the sum of the profit n in the western region are based on the furniture. So what if we try to spread it across others category where we have the office supplies and the technology? We've also did example for only one criteria, which is the sum if, for only the western, for western region, eastern region, central, and the southern region. So this requires some knowledge of referencing, which you can watch one of the YouTube content of this YouTube channel, where I was able to explain the concept of mixed referencing, relative referencing, and absolute referencing. So we're going to apply the same here to have this. So we have captured all the necessary things, which is the sum range, which captures the column, the U column for the U column is the column for the profit, followed by the criteria range 1, which is the column for the region, where we have the south, the west, the central. So and the east as well. So now, because we have already typed the region, so which is written in A13, so in that case we need to lock. That's why the dollar sign is at the back of the AA. So we need to be able to lock that column and open. So we locked the column and make the row open, so that as you're moving down the row, you'll be able to pick up others like east, central, and south whenever I drag them. So that's why the AA is being locked, so that the 13, 14, 15 downward will be opened. It will be able to follow suit. So the same thing, we look at the second criteria, which is the criteria for the category, and we have been able to see that that was captured in the columns O, where we have the furniture, the office supplies, and the technology. And also that has been typed, and that is in AB12. So in that case as well, using the knowledge of referencing, since by dragging we want it to capture the office supplies and the technology, so in that sense we are going to lock the row and we make the column open, and that's why you have the AB, no dollar at the back, but the 12, there was a dollar at the back, so that as you are moving, the AB, the AC, the AD, they are free for use. So by the time we press OK and we try to verify whether this works, when you drag down, you see this, and when you also drag to the right, you can see that we have the results for the sum of the profit and in each of the region and category. And of course you can see the sum, which is equal to what we have in the previous example where we did a sum if. So this is a combination of a sum ifs function and the knowledge of referencing, which you can have the same thing in Microsoft Excel, and we have been able to do the same as well in Google Sheet. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell if you are watching this YouTube channel for the first time. And if you have any question, please feel free to drop it at the comment section. And if you want us to produce video on some areas of interest, do not hesitate to drop this, as we are all work in progress, we are all learning. We are going to make a research on that and help you learn as we also keep learning. Thank you so much, and bye for now.